Hey everybody! In this video, we'll see how to integrate Zoho Billing with Zoho Sign, a secure digital signature platform for your business. We will cover these topics to help you understand how the integration works. Let's get started. As the first step, let's set up the integration. Note, before setting up the integration in Zoho Billing, ensure you have created a Zoho Sign account. After this, log into Zoho Billing. Go to Settings and select Zoho Apps under Integrations and Marketplace. Then click Connect adjacent to Zoho Sign. In the following page, click Connect Now. In the pop-up that appears, you will be asked to configure the Zoho Sign integration. Mark this box if you want the users to sign the invoices before it's sent. Similarly, mark these boxes if you want the users to sign the credit notes and quotes before they are sent. Mark this box if you want your customers to sign every time they accept a quote. Under Other Preferences, mark this box if you allow users to skip signature for sending invoices, quotes, and purchase orders. Note that if your organization has multiple users, only admins and custom user roles with approval permissions can sign the documents. The users should also be part of the Zoho Sign organization. Your customers will also be able to sign the documents. After configuring, click Integrate. You have successfully integrated Zoho Billing with Zoho Sign. Next, let's see how you can sign your quotes and invoices from Zoho Billing. Go to Sales and click Quotes. Select the quote that you want to sign. Click Sign Quote. In the pop-up that appears, the signature that you configured in your Zoho Sign organization will be displayed. You can change the signature by clicking here if you want. Then click Sign Quote. The quote will be signed successfully and the signatures will be included in your quote PDF. Similarly, you can sign your invoices and credit notes as well before they are sent to your customers. Note, if you edit a signed quote, invoice or credit note, you will need to re-sign the document, and re-signing a document will count towards the usage of your plan in Zoho Sign. Next, let's see how to request signatures from your customers on your quotes. As we have enabled the option to request signature from your customers every time they accept a quote, they will be required to sign their quote from the customer portal before they can accept them. Once they click Accept, they have the option to draw, type, or upload the signature. They can sign the quote using the preferred signing method. Then click Sign and Accept. Once your customers have signed and accepted a quote, you will be able to view their signature on the quote's PDF. You may want to convert the accepted quote to invoices automatically when they've been signed by your customers. In such cases, you can auto-populate your signature in the invoices. Go to Settings, click Quotes under Sales. Under General, select the option Yes, Create, Sign and Send. Then click Save. Now, invoices with your digital signature will be created automatically when your customer accepts quotes. At any point, if you wish to delete the integration, go to the Zoho Sign integration page and click Delete Integration at the top right corner. Go ahead and click Delete. Now the integration with Zoho Sign will be deleted. However, your documents that were digitally signed will remain digitally signed even after deleting the integration. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.